Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to create an Asana account. First, go to their site, scroll down, then click on Create Account under their site. Here, you can continue with your Google account or your personal email. Now click on Continue. After that, just type in your full name. You can also add a profile, then continue. Now, just tell them about your information, then continue. For here, type in the name of your project, then type the tasks for your project. You can type in anything, then after that, just click on continue. Here you can change the title for your projects. For me, I will change it as topics, in progress, and done. Then continue. Now just choose among lists, board, calendar. For here, I will choose on board and continue. Now type in the email address of your team members, then take me to my project. Now your Asana account is up and you can get started. Here you will see all the topics you created earlier. You can add a new one, or you can drag them to the sections you made earlier. And that's it. You now have your Asana account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.